Actually, nagpa-prepare ako.
Birthday ko ngayon.
Okay, konting katuwaan lang. Okay, so, meron tayong utog dyan. Okay? Ready na ba tayo? So, magdadamoves sila ngayon, si Sarah.
Magdadamoves?
Yes!
Parang yung bagong commercial ko namin.
Pwede yun, diba?
Yes, that's fine.
So, ready na ba tayo? It's more fun with Ernest. So, they want to see the fun side of Ernest. Ayan.
Ay, kunan niya ng picture.
Picture na naka-ready na.
Punta pa na yung susunod ah. Video.
Okay. Game na ba?
Go, Joanna!
Oh.
Alright!
Ayan na! Teach me how to.
Alam mo ba yun, Sir Ernest? Turuan ko po kayo.
Okay! Palakpakan naman dyan!
Music.
All I need is a beat that's super confident for you. You type it up and touch it. Put the arms out front, lean side to side. Ain't nobody getting me my work from one side. He go my brother and he hit that different side. I am some guys, but I need clown boogie. I feel my moves on the inside. Now you just for you, and I'm a team.
Thank you! Napaka-sport naman ng ating president. Oh, thank you. So I guess final message na lang from Sarah and then from Ernest.
Yes, once again po maraming salamat po for inviting me. Nagbahagi po ako ng celebration, ng birthday celebration ng ating mabait na boss at gwapong boss na si Sir Ernest Cruz. So maraming salamat po muli at more success to all of us. Ayun.
Jeje!
Pwede ba?
Ay, gusto pa ba daw ng isang kanta? Oh my God! Ako, alam mo, Sarah, hindi na tinatanong yan. Talaga naman. Kung pwede na lang hindi ka paalisin ng mga mga kaglow. Isa pa ba? Yeah! Okay.
Sir Ernest, kakanta din.
Abay!
Si Sir Ernest! Sige na, sir. Birthday niyo naman. Birthday niyo naman po eh. Sige, music please. Maka-score tayo kay Sir. Hello.
last a day without you. Parang, di ba gagawin sa movie niyo ni Babe? Grabe. Oo. Lagi kasi ako nanonood ng Sarah G. Patingin mo ako Joanna. Thank you.